Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you that have a BMW 5 Series such as guys E60 or E61 generation. We will explain how to remove and how to replace serpentine belt tensioner. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll cover everything guys from start to finish. And there is something very important that you need to do, otherwise you can mess up your engine. Make sure you stay until the end. Even though we will be demonstrating on a 6-cylinder engine and 52 engine, it will be helpful guys on 4-cylinder engines, gasoline, diesel engines, because the tensioner will look almost the same on all of them, and we will explain how to recognize it, where to find it, and what needs to be done to remove your tensioner. The procedure will be the same for pretty much any engine guys. Before we start, let me introduce you to the channel. We will have more than 200 videos guys on every single car we get at the shop. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video so we can keep providing that free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy new tensioner, new belt, new tools, there will be something else that you need to buy when you replace the tensioner. We'll share the links in the description of the video below. Also, we have another channel, that's our main channel. It's called Auto Repair guys, and we have helped close to 70 million people guys, 70 million people. So please subscribe. There is quite helpful information on BMWs, how to do different tests and things like that as well. So with that being said, this is the N52 engine. Doesn't matter which engine you have guys, you need to locate your serpentine belt. The belt usually is located on the front side of your engine. You will have your radiator fan here and the radiators. We have all that removed because we'll be making quite a few videos on that BMW, but you don't need to remove any of that to replace the tensioner. Why? Because this is your tensioner, but you will need to remove the belt and later you will need to install it. So I recommend to even get a new belt when you replace the tensioner and replace your idle pulley as well guys at the same time. And with that being said, that electric fan can turn on anytime, and if your fingers get stuck there, it can cut them off. So guys, number one, disconnect the car battery before you start working on your BMW. Number two, on modern vehicles it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first, positive or negative, because if you guys disconnect the wrong one or reconnect the wrong one, that can cause damage to the engine computer, wiring harness, modules guys, and that can be very costly. We did that and it cost us guys about $2,000 in the past. So if you want to see how to properly disconnect car battery, I will put the link in the description of the video below guys to the video that explains all that on modern vehicle. Now, with that being said, the tensioner guys will look like that. Okay, this is your tensioner. You have a pulley on it. This is the tensioner arm. You have a spring on the back side. You have a place where you can install the tool guys. Okay, and in some cases it could be a Torx tool. In some cases it could be a 16mm socket. And you need to go clockwise or counterclockwise depending on which way the belt goes. Okay, release it. Remove the belt and you can just remove the tool out of the tensioner. Now that bolt here guys, that's supposed to be a reverse Torx bolt like this one. Whoever installed that bolt, that's a big mistake. You will have a bolt kind of like that one, and every time you remove the tensioner bolt you have to install a new one. Why? Because that bolt actually guys, is aluminum bolt and it's torque to yield bolt, so when you guys install it, next time it can break if you reuse it. So always guys, get a new bolt as well. This is the tensioner. We'll share the link to where you can buy yours guys. Just search for it, you'll see it where, and that will be definitely guys helpful, and I guarantee you that you'll find it for a good price as well. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. If you have any more questions, just let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.